Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to start off with an art project. It's going to be an Easter themed art project because, you know, Easter's coming, and the supplies you're going to need for this is a piece of paper. I picked out a blue piece, but you can use any color you want as long as it's not white or green, and you'll see why later. I also have a marker here, a black marker. You can once again use any color you want. I also have some paint over here. You can't see. I have white paint and I have green paint. That's why you don't use a white or green piece of paper. I have this fork here. This is important. We're going to use that later. And I've got some glue dots. You can just use regular glue if you don't have glue dots, but I needed it to dry fast. So I got glue dots, I've got some scissors, and of course, a toilet paper roll. I know you have toilet paper rolls at your house, most of you. Anyway, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off, we're gonna cut the toilet paper roll. Now you might wanna have mom and dad help you with this, big brother, big sister, grandma, grandpa, somebody that can cut with some big scissors. And we're gonna cut a little circle off like this. Boop. Okay. So you see what that looks like? Now we're gonna leave it in this shape, okay? Because that's gonna be one of our ears. So I'll put that down right there. And we're gonna cut another circle off, about the same size. So I'm cutting it. Boop. And there we go. We've got another little circle like that. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is, on one of the ends, as close to the end as you can get it, we're gonna glue our ears on. This is what we're gonna use to make our stamp, okay guys? So we're gonna do one ear on like this. See how I stuck that on? Stick that ear on like that. Make sure you get it as close to the edge as you can. And we're gonna pinch this side to make it make an ear. So there we go, we have one ear. Get another glue dot. I'll put it just like right here, and this is where you're gonna wanna put your glue if you're using regular old glue. And you're gonna get it as close to it as you can get it, and stick it right on, like that. It's gonna pinch the end of your ear. Okay, so now we have our bunny stamp. So this is gonna be the bunny face and the bunny ears. All right. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put the white paint on this side. So I'm just gonna dip it in the paint. Nothing fancy, just dipping it in the paint. You guys are gonna be way faster at this than me. All right. Okay. So I've got paint all over my stamp. I'm gonna stamp it on my paper. Make sure you get it the whole way, press the whole way down. Yay! That's a cute little bunny. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in a little bit. The noises help. Okay, I'm gonna make two little bunnies, I think. There we go. Yay! All right. Oh, my second bunny came out better than my first one. Okay, there we go. All right, so we've got two little bunny faces right here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the grass for the bottom. And I'm gonna take my fork here and I'm gonna dip it in the green paint, okay? So we're gonna just get some green paint on there, real good. All right, so that's what it's gonna look like. And we're gonna stamp on the bottom of the page. We're gonna do like that. And it's gonna make the grass, see? Yes, we got the grass, okay? I'm gonna make a bunch of grass. Once again, singing helps. Okay, so here's my bunnies. Whoops, here's my bunnies, and here's my grass. So now I'm gonna put the faces on my bunnies. You're gonna want to be careful because you don't want to smudge the white. So I'm gonna draw 2 little eyes and a little bunny nose. And some whiskers, because bunnies have whiskers. And there we go. Here is my Easter bunny art. Isn't it cute? I just love them. And of course, you know, Mom's gonna want that for the refrigerator. And you can get as fancy and creative as you want. You can paint the insides of the ears pink if you want. You can paint the little noses pink. You can put little googly eyes on the bunnies if you want. It's all up to you. You can draw a sun in the corner. You can draw a bird or a tree. Just whatever you want to do. And so that's how you make your own stamps. There's my bunny stamp again. I guess you can't really say that you made this stamp, but it is a good grass stamp. So there you have it. There's our art project for the day. Put those back over there. And remember, our programs go up every morning on our Facebook page, every weekday morning at 10 a.m. We're gonna have a bunch more coming, a bunch of story times. So please keep tuning in, and we'll see you when we open back up. Bye, guys.